Hello guys, welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we are looking at the Bicycle Radical 80s. Now I can't tell you how hard I've had to try to get my hands on a deck of these. I don't know how many Target ordered, but Target had a lot. They covered the whole country, United States anyway, with these, but people were really struggling to find them. So a really awesome guy out in California, he found a bunch of decks. And he contacted me around the same time that the lady that sent me the zigzags contacted me, and they both offered me some. The zigzags came with this. Super pumped to review it. And actually, I've just had a knock on the door right before recording this, and this had arrived. Now you can't really see this package because it's quite big, and the cameras see that. I'm going to quickly cut it open rather than rip it. I don't want to deafen you. But yeah, so this has just arrived. Just get into it. Oh, forgot about these. So we have bicycle tin. We have not one, not two, not three, but 4 other Radical 80s decks. Now, you might be asking, why have you bought so many? Well, I saw these online and I fell in love. We'll look at this and review this another day. I'm going to keep it in the box and then I'll open it up. I might do that actually next. I might do my next review to be this one. And I can open it up and have a look myself because I don't know what's in here. So yeah, I saw these online and I absolutely fell in love with them. Struggled to get them. Now I've got a load. Half brick of these beautiful cards. Let me show you how nice they are. So we've got the Radical 80s. We've got the embossed ace symbol there. Radical 80s across the bottom playing cards. 2018 United States Playing Card Company. Now they did release this in 2013. It was a Kickstarter deck. This is a re-release, which I'm so glad they did. I didn't even see these in 2013. It was only when they started popping up in Targets all over the States, and people in some of the bicycle groups I'm in posted them, that I realised, awesome. So I got some. Radical 80s, made in the USA. And in the back, look at that. Cassette tape. How awesome is that? I'm going to crack it open and we can have a look inside. Actually, imagine, I'll show the tuck case. Look at that. Neon pink inside. It's like a neon matte pink. Very, very cool. Huge. I'm just in love. I'm in love. These are probably the only playing cards I've ever seen that I've thought I would pay through the nose to pick them up. Discover, learn, play. We'll look at the backs in more detail in a minute. How's that for a joker? Radical 80s, Queen of Hearts, Wild Card, Royal Flush, Bad Beat. It's like a track listing. So you could always produce the Queen of Hearts and say, check the track listing on that tape. Joker in there. Sort of cool tape all peeled out and folded over the front. Very, very cool. Same again, but without the tape all unravelled. And we go straight into the deck, really. Oh, we've got a double backer. Let's get in there. Look at that ace. It's like a solar eclipse. It's awesome, vivid green. It's kind of hard for you to see on the camera just how green this is. It's very like luminescent green. Awesome. The massive calculator digital clock style numbers. That's pretty cool as well, because obviously you can count the pips normally. This doesn't have that, so they've done what you'd see in like bingo, where they underlined which side that's supposed to go. As obviously there's a 9 there. So retro with the retro shades. You've got one of the very first mobile phones. People used to walk around with that. Check the size of it. So nice. The Queen again. She's got a VHS in her hand. She's got them shutter shades, headband, microphone, shutter shades again. This little hat. Now I love these aces. Instead of just having a big 1, which would have been really disappointing, they've gone for this like sort of eclipsed look, and it's brilliant. Again with a calculator, digital clock style numbers, and it's like a purpley pink. More purple than pink. It looks quite pink on the camera. Check these dudes out. Look at that. It's got a skateboard. It's very much an 80s style skateboard as well, where it's only lipped on one end of the deck. And then you've got the little hat and his shades on. Cassette tape. It's got the big hair. Saved by the Bell style colours. Look at that. Guitar, headband. I don't know what you'd call that. Perm? Jerry curls. It just makes me think of Soul Glow from Coming to America. Drumsticks. Old camera there. Bow in the hair. Big hair, don't care. Ski goggles. They were big in the 80s. So cool. Ah, it's 4 different colours as well. That's awesome. A bit like Uno. A bit like the Easy Low Vision ones that I reviewed last time that were depressingly busted. That looks cool as well. Just that eclipsed silhouette is just so nice. Nice boombox mohawk. Very cool. Bubblegum. It almost looks a bit like Madonna. She's got her Walkman for little. They're like headphones I used to have when I was at school. Them shades very much back in. My glasses look a bit like that, to be honest. Look at this ace. Oh, it's beautiful. Now that's a proper pink. I'll put the aces out so you can have a look. Look at that. So you can proper see that that's like a... It's hard to actually distinguish between the two. Let's put them close together. But you can see this is like a purple and this is a pink. So yeah, so they're inverted faces. So what would normally be white is black. But I am so pumped. This deck is incredible. It's available at Target. I think it's $7.99. But it's just phenomenal. Takes me back to my childhood. Now I was born in the 90s, but I didn't have much money growing up really, so I had a lot of my brother's stuff handed down to me. Walkman, etc, etc. Yeah, that's awesome. It's like a 3D sort of prismatic design, I suppose. And you've got like that pink fading into white. It just looks like a solid colour as it fades in. Now, just a massive, massive, massive fan of this. Huge. This is my favourite deck of all time. It's got to be. If I did not crown this my favourite deck, I think I'd be lying. And yeah, I mean, I think, to be honest, we're getting to a stage where I might come up with a giveaway, and people that subscribe to the channel can win a deck of these, because they are so good. It'd be good if someone in the UK won it as well. Not that I'm going to fix it or anything, but because these are really, really hard to get hold of. But I'm in love. You've heard it here first. Officially my favourite deck of all time. I can't wait to play with it. For the sake of this video being 45 minutes long, I'm going to cut it short there, guys. But thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something that I won't love as much as this. But I may do. Take care, guys.